The Intelix INT-EXRMK is a mounting kit for Intelix INT HD70, INT HDX100, and INT HDXL100 series extenders, and features a 5 rack units high rack mount design. It holds up to 12 extender units and includes 2 sizes of support brackets. The system allows mixed installation of compatible Intelix extender series and includes 11 panel blanks for clean rack appearance. It features durable black steel construction and is designed for professional AV rack installations. Visit HDTVSUPPLY.com to learn more.